Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, welcome to Shamandy's Kitchen, and to all the others, I do hope that you are enjoying all the recipes that I have been sharing. I'm not doing any cooking today. If you recall in my last video, I did mention that I will be endorsing Bedessee's West Indian products. And guys, remember, they are the world's largest online Caribbean supermarket. And it's as easy as www.buyeasy.com. Place your order to be delivered in the comfort of your own home. So let me open this box here now and see what goodies I have in here. So let's start digging. Brown Betty guava jam, Jamaican Pride coffee, macaroni seasoning. Yes guys, perfect macaroni and cheese. Brown Betty macaroni seasoning. Oh, tamarind ball. Well, as you guys had tamarind ball, baking powder. Have here some essence, ginger and honey tea. We have peppermint leaf tea, bitter melon tea, better known as Karaili or Karaila tea. That is so good for people who has diabetes. Okay, we got some Marshall's sardine here. Another tamarind ball again. Oh, I will get so fat. We have Bedessee 4 cows evaporated milk. Here we have bacalao or saltfish. Coconut water. Another coconut water. Molasses, and I do have to make a black cake, so this would come in perfect for that black cake. Oh, lime pepper sauce. Come on, bring the bangameri now, girl. This lime pepper sauce is our favorite when we are having fried bangameri. And this is the hot one. My son loves this one more than the lime pepper sauce. And here is Jamaican Pride jerk seasoning, cashew, burnt sugar or browning, pineapple syrup, one of my favorite flavors, pineapple. We have another browning here, lime achar, mixed essence, 4 cows condensed milk, coconut milk, Brown Betty chicken seasoning, and this is so good, guava jelly and bagel goes so great together. Seafood seasoning, perfect for that, butterfish, fry rice seasoning, another type of essence, chow mein seasoning, brown sugar, Guyanese fried brown rice, coconut puffs, some macaroni here. Of course, this box will not be complete if we don't have some chow mein. Madras curry, banana chips, mango slices, vermicelli, perfect for Eid. Some dried sorrel, got some cloves here, grind dal. I can smell the sahina now. Brown sugar, cinnamon sticks, jeera. Nice, cream soda. Well, as you guys had cream soda with evaporated milk. So I have the 4 cows evaporated milk. That will be perfect for this cream soda. Jamaican Pride ginger beer, cola champagne, banana soda, oh, pineapple again. Awesome. 5 rose flour for that roti. We got Robin Hood flour, sorrel soda. And here you have it, guys. Some beautiful products from Bedessee's. Remember to check them out at www.buyeasy.com.